Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can cancel a Remitly transfer. So first, you just have to open your Remitly application and sign in. So from this list on your home screen, you have to choose the transfer that you'd like to cancel. Now take note that you can only cancel transactions that have not yet been completed. So after that, you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the transfer details and select cancel transfer. So from there, you just have to select cancel transfer again to confirm, and then select the reason for your cancellation. So you can just pick any of the reasons in here and then select submit at the bottom. And that's it. When your transfer is canceled, Remitly begins processing your refund request right away. So it usually takes 3 to 5 business days for your money to be deposited back to your account, but it can take up to 10 business days depending on your bank or the payment method. So the Remitly will keep you informed throughout the process. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.